Hey, how you guys doing on YouTube? So today's video I'll be showing you everything you need to know about Google My Business SEO, how to rank better on Google My Business. So whenever someone searches for your product or service, you'll be able to show up in the top 10 results. So the first thing you have to do here is to update your business information, which is very easy to do and gonna help your business a lot. So you have to go to your info tab here. So under the info tab, you have to update your business information, and this is why you have to do that if it's not optimized. So look at this business name here. So this is the business name, and this is what I put here. This one I put here is about the tags I want to rank for this keyword about web design company in Lagos. Whenever someone search for web design company in Lagos, or whenever someone search for best web design company in Nigeria, well, name of the website or the company is web design there. You can actually write this together. So this in case of someone search for this business name on Google. To get the better understand of this, so let's say you sell jewelry or you are in fashion design, so you can put something like Gucci best t-shirt design in Lagos, Nigeria. Just make sure you put your business name first, and you are trying to rank for what you think your customer might intend to search for. So that's very, very important. Here you see what I put here: web design devs. This is the company name, and this like a little description about it, but not the main description. So this is for SEO sake, and I put the address, the location here, just like the city and the country. It's not a full address, so you don't have to put a full address. So once you are done that, click on apply. So the next thing you have to do is to select the category of business here. Choosing a web designer, this is the category of the business I offer. But yours might be different, it might be for a fashion design. So let's say another business category, but I would advise you only add one. One is better. And so if you are getting adding more business category, Google say you like, or you are not qualified, or you are not competent for what you are offering. So make sure it's one that you choose here. So let's say you choose search for a fashion design. Can be a fashion designer school, fashion designer shop, fashion accessory store. One might be a catering. Okay, but for me, I'm offering a web design service. So web can be a web hosting. Click on apply. I've already done that here. So that is, you can see it's related to my business name here, which is best website design company in Lagos, and the category is web designer. You can see they kind of relate to each other. Don't be offering a catering service and here you choose a category of having salon, or it doesn't really work like that. Though you might be offering more than one service, but you have to create business for each of them. So moving to the service area, where are you offering the services? Is it Kano or your Lagos? So these are the places we are offering the services. Can be in Lagos. So we are offering it in Lagos. So these are the places where my services can be found, and this is where I offer my service. So anywhere in this location that I search for a web designer or best web designer, my service should be able to show up in the search result. So that is basically it. Search all the location in your area, maybe in Ghana, maybe in Nigeria. Just look around Nigeria. We have Lagos, Ikeja, all these kind of places. So, and the one you don't like, you can just remove them. So it's very easy. So click on apply here. Once I've done that, so the next thing we're doing is the business hour here. You'll be adding a business hour. When is your business going to open and closing? So here we say open 24 hours. If you are not open 24 hours, just click on this open and select how many hours do you open. When did you close? Open by 1 and you close by let's say we close by 6:30. You can add another hour here continuously like that. Let's say after you close by 6:30, you also do a night starting from 10 to 3 in the night. You might also choose we are always open, like you're open 24 hours. So if you choose 24 hours, you can add the opening and closing since you're open all day long. So that is all about. And you can also close for some day. Let's say you don't open on Sunday and Saturday, so you can just close this. That's basically it for your business hour. Click on apply. The next thing you also be doing is to add your phone number. This is very, very important. You can't skip this. So if you want someone to contact you whenever they get search for your product and services online on Google Map or Google search, they should be able to contact you somewhere. But if you don't want anyone to contact you through that, if you know your business does not require that, it's fine, but it's better you add your own. A website, this is very, very, I can say 95% of what you need to get your business started. You need to get a website. I'll put in a link in the description below on how to get a secure, fast, and beautiful, also cheap website below. So I'll be putting the agency link below to help you get started about your website. This my business website here. You can also add the services that you offer. So if you click that pen button, so you can see all the services that I offer here. So I offer application development, mobile app development, software, website development, digital marketing, SEO, e-commerce, branding. You can add more services here, but make sure if you're adding the services is related to the services you're having. There's not much difference between the services. Don't add more than 10. But so once you do that, you can add more services here. You can add business category here. Let's go back to the business info. If you really want to rank on Google My Business, on Google search, whenever someone search for service, description is important. So the description, if you check on this, you can pause this video to read through this description. There is a couple of keywords I inject here. I'm trying to write for web design here, website design. So whenever someone search for website design or website design agency, let's play on Control F here and search for web design, or let's say website. You can see how many times it show here. Okay, and see we have website design, website design, website design, website. So don't let it be too much. Let's just say should appear like 4 times to 5 times here. So this is the service I'm trying to run for. Whenever someone search for web design, it can be web design agency and all those stuff. So in your own case, maybe you're offering a catering or fashion design service, so it can be a fashion designer. Okay, so whenever someone has search for fashion designer near me and they are in the same location with you, they should be able to find you easily there. So the maximum you can add here is 750 character that you can add. So don't forget that if you are writing. So how to go about this keyword and how to rank better. Go to rapid tags here, rapitag.io. Click on use tools for free. I want to get there, search for whatever service you're offering. So let's say fashion designer. Click on that. So you can see that you have all this tag. Let's say fashion designer, fashion design, how to become a fashion designer. Actually, you don't need this. You can remove that. Designer, fashion designer salary. You don't need all this. So you can remove tags here that you know is not that useful to you. How to become fashion designer course. You don't need all this stuff. So the one you need, you can just once the one you need, you can just click on copy. Once you click on copy, let's just remove this for an instant. Paste this here. You gotta make sure most of these tags are included in your description. Let's say Kenny, fashion designer, to provide you the best fashion wear. So you can see that is how you continue to add some tags in your description here. You can see it's very, very simple. So once you add all those tags, what rapid tag does is that you can see fashion appear in several places here. Make sure that whenever someone search for fashion designer, from your business information here to your business name, your business description, they are all included there. So it's gonna be very easy for Google to rank you. Let me reverse this. I just click on cancel. So once you choose a picture, you'll be asked to put a location where the picture is taken. So you can also search here, let's say Lagos. Once you put in Lagos, but you actually have to pay for this to search and click. But there's a better way you can go about it without paying for it. Which you'll be able to put your latitude and longitude here. Yeah. So to get your latitude and longitude, go to Google Map. Click on Google Map. So as your business is added to Google My Business, you'll be able to find it on Google Map. What you can do is to search the business name again, which is Google. You can see that this is a complete link which are giving us auto suggestion here. So you automatically move to the location of your business. This is it here, web design devs. All you have to do is to copy this your latitude and longitude. This should be your latitude and this should be your longitude. These are the digits here. You have to copy this number here. This number up here. So you have to copy this first one here before the comma. There's a comma here, you have to take a look. So copy it before the comma, then paste it here. Next longitude, I think, then paste it here. So once you paste it, you automatically grab your location here. So the tag is very very important too. So let's search for something like web design now. So in your own case might be a fashion design or caterer also. So once you search for it, just remove some irrelevant one here, but you can just copy that and put it here. So this is the tag for your picture here, but it shouldn't be more than 5 or so. This is the most important one, but you can put that here. This is just a little description about the picture. So once you are done with that, you can click on write exit tags. So once you click on that, then you should be able to find this download button on disable, because it will be disabled. So once you click on this download, the picture will be downloaded to your computer here. So once you downloaded, go to Google My Business and click on info. From the info, scroll down to the bottom and click on add photo. So click on this plus button here. Then you can drag and drop this picture that you just downloaded. So same thing apply to video. It's very very important that you add a video. You can add a video, add a picture, so and so on. I think you can also add a GIF file. Before you add them, make sure you geotag them and add your description to the geotag, location, your latitude and longitude, which is very very important. So once you are done with that, the picture should be able to appear on Google, maybe in a 5 minute or 10 minute or so. So once you are done adding your photos and geotagging it, you can go back to the post section here. You can also click on this photo to add a photo. That is like a shortcut there. So once you are done with that, you can click on this post. Then you see a link that says create your first post here. Click on that. So from there, this is where you'll be putting your post. So I have a blog post here. You can either put it in your notepad or use a Grammarly editor. So from here, I'll just have to copy this post here, highlight it. So any post you'll be adding here, make sure it's related to your business. If you are into fashion design or you're into catering, make sure you are writing a blog post that related to your services. So in my own case here, I'm adding a description about a website. So that is the blog post that is related to my services here. So once you are done that, you have to add a button that is optional here. Maybe a call to action like book now, order online, buy, learn more. So I'll be adding a learn more. And once you are done that, you also have to add a link to the button. So where do you want the button to link to? So let's say my link to this website here. So once you are done with that, you can click on preview to see how the blog post is going to look before you publish it. So this is how it's going to look here. So once you're okay with that, click on publish. This is your blog post here. to appear on Google. So for the SEO part, you have to click adding more blog posts here that are related to your service only. Or you can click adding more using this button here. This button, which is this. Just click on this whenever you want to add a new blog post here. Do an on-page or off-page SEO, you need to have a website, and on your website, you also need to have a blog post. That is where you'll be doing your on-page SEO. So on-page SEO is also related to the way of adding a description here to your business. So you need to also include some tags to your blog post. So let me show you how it works. Like here, I have a blog post here, and this blog post I'm trying to rank for, do I need a website for my business or website business, something related to that. So whenever someone search for a topic like do I need a website for my business, I should be able to appear in the top 10 result on Google. So that is quite easy if you follow all the format and use this rapid tags here. You need to have a website to do an off-page SEO. Google gonna give you more authority, like you appear on Google and you appear on Google My Business, like Google Map and all those stuff. You're gonna get more exposure to Google Pen and all those stuff. So that is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, share, and comment. Don't forget to also subscribe. So if you need a website for your business, I'll give you a link in the description. You should have a discount price. Check it out.